Sepp Blatter tells court he is too ill to testify on first day of trial with Platini. The trial of the former FIFA president Sepp Blatter and the French football legend Michel Platini over alleged corrupt payments ground to a halt on Wednesday when Blatter said he was too ill to testify. Swiss prosecutors accused the pair, once among football's most powerful figures, of unlawfully arranging a payment of 2 million Swiss francs (£1.6 million) in 2011. Blatter and Platini deny the charges. But Blatter, looking frail during the hearing at the Federal Criminal Court in Bellinzona, said he was unable to address the court due to chest pains. "The pain will come back, and I am having difficulty breathing," the 85-year-old told the court in a whisper. The judges allowed him to make his testimony on Thursday. Earlier, lawyers for Blatter and Platini failed to shift the trial to a local court or dismiss FIFA's civil claim against Blatter and Blatter to reclaim the 2 million francs. "This case is being heard in the wrong stadium," Platini's lawyer Dominic Nellon told the court, saying federal prosecutions should be reserved for large international cases. The judges dismissed the argument and also allowed FIFA to remain involved. "It is obvious that FIFA has been damaged," said its lawyer Catherine Holcherazi. 2 million francs was stolen. 3 judges will hear the trial, which runs until 22 June. A verdict is due on 8 July. If convicted, Platini and Blatter face up to 5 years in jail. Both have denied wrongdoing and say they had a verbal agreement over the payment, which related to consultancy work by Platini between 1998 and 2002. Blatter, once the most powerful figure in global football, arrived at the court walking with a stoop and holding the arm of his daughter Karine. Before the hearing, he said was positive and in a good mood. "I know I have not done anything against the law," he told journalists outside the court. "My life was football for 45 years with FIFA." Platini, a former UEFA president, also said he was confident and joked he would have to improve his German so he could follow the proceedings. "We will prove in court that I acted with the utmost honesty, that the payment of the remaining salary was due to me by FIFA and is perfectly legal," he said in statement before the hearing. The Swiss Office of the Attorney General has accused Blatter and Platini of fraud, in the alternative of misappropriation, in the further alternative of criminal mismanagement, as well as of forgery of a document. Platini, who is a player captained France to victory in the 1984 European Championship, was also charged as an accomplice. Blatter and Platini, 66, were banned in 2016 from football for 6 years over the payment made with Blatter's approval for work done a decade earlier.